Hello, beautiful people. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing perfectly fine. So, in this particular video, you'll be seeing so many amazing jaw-dropping hairstyle tutorial and hairstyle transformation that you will love, ranging from stylish braid, creative ones are that, the one that will make you to look beautiful and classy as a beautiful woman. So, if you're just coming across my video or my channel for the first time, hey, you're welcome to Favor Beauty World channel where I make videos about beauty, fashion, hairstyle, and everything between. Please do not make it your last time. Hit on the subscribe button to join this amazing family. So watch this particular video and I'm sure you will find one or two braid hairstyle that you will love. So my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys' love, support, and all the love that you guys have been showing me. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to share out this video as well. I don't want to bore you guys with the long intro, so just watch the rest of the video, enjoy it, and do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand